Hey everybody, been out cutting wood today, and I want to talk about the Rancho shocks. It's been about 1 year since I put these Ranchos on, and I thought I'd give a little review on kind of what I'm thinking and how they perform, just not only driving down the road, but also when you have a full load on it. And today, I have that for sure. So this is what I'm looking like. I've got, I would say, close to 3 to 3.5 ton of wood on this trailer, and I took it down the road and it's squatting pretty heavy, as you can see. And this is with the 2.5 inch leveling kit on this truck, and she squatted pretty good in the back. And this is the load that I have on it. So I went and cut this wood today, and I'm telling you, I fought a lot of right at 3 ton of rock on this trailer, and I'm telling you that right now I'm probably sitting at probably 3, definitely over 3 for sure, probably up to 3.5 ton, and that's what the old truck looks like. But let me tell you, I am very, very well pleased with this. The Ranchos, they have done a phenomenal job doing what I need to do. Not only does it ride great going down the road, but even with a heavy load on it, it's still phenomenal. You can tell definitely has a nice control of your suspension, not too stiff, not too soft. And also, if you haven't looked at when I installed these Ranchos, these are the adjustable Ranchos, which is really nice. You can adjust them on each shock independently, 1 to 9 levels of different ride control. And I typically ride these at number 6 empty, and I thought I'd try it out today with a full load on it, and it's still at number 6. And I would say that if you want a little bit stiffer suspension, to crank it up to number 9 when you've got a full load on it. And yeah, you've got a little bit of little bounce in the back, but all in all, I'm very well pleased. I've had them for about 1 year, and they're phenomenal. So if you're wondering whether or not they're worth the money, definitely. And I would buy them again in a heartbeat. So hey, thanks for watching the video today. Hit the subscribe button and also the like button. Share if you want to. Hey, God bless and have a great day.